Hello FYP-academy viewers. I have problems installing my old graphics card. So I checked many kind of programs, driver easy, driver pack, and same like those drivers pack. There's no diagnosing or finding my driver, so I clicked right here on Microsoft Basic Display Adapter and choose update and online update, but it took such a long time. But you must let it try to seek for your driver. Then it was just found with this Windows Device Manager updating tool. So it is now my old driver for graphic, and I show you how to choose here the way you search for your driver and you watch. The speed of PC is not good, but my driver is now changed to Nvidia GeForce 730 SE, and that was something else before. I click under the unknown right here and then update driver software, and then search automatically for updated driver. As I told you, this takes a bit longer than your expectations, so just you need to wait, and then of course you can find your driver card on my Windows 8.1. Now wow, speed of my Windows and all the system is okay and good. So thanks for watching, have a good time, bye.